In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a document using a template in LibreOffice Writer. Whether you're preparing a business letter, a personal note, or a detailed report, using a template can make your task efficient and neatly formatted right from the start. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll need to open LibreOffice Writer. To do this, head over to your computer and look for the LibreOffice icon. Once you find it, simply double-click to open the application. When LibreOffice launches, you'll be greeted with the Start Center. Here, you'll want to find and click on Writer Document. This step will take you into a blank document setup, but don't worry, we'll be applying a ready-made template in no time. Now, let's move on to using a template, which is a great way to save time and effort. Templates are essentially pre-designed layouts that cover a wide array of document types, such as letters, resumes, and reports. These templates ensure that the structure and format of your document are professionally styled and coherent, eliminating the hassle of setting these up manually. Once you are in the Writer interface, turn your attention to the menu bar located at the top of the screen. You'll want to click on File and then hover over to the New option. As you do this, a submenu will unfold, and you should see the Templates option. Clicking on this will pop open the Templates dialog window, where the real fun begins. In this Templates dialog, you have the entire library of options at your fingertips. Take a moment to browse through the various categories. These categories might include options like business correspondence, personal, and reports, among others. Each category houses different styles and formats tailored to that theme, so you can easily find something that matches the tone and requirement of your document. Once you've explored and found a template that fits your needs, it's time to make a selection. Simply click on the template you're interested in, and then tap on the Open button. This action will apply the chosen template to your document, instantly generating a well-structured layout ready for your content. And that's all there is to it. By leveraging templates in LibreOffice Writer, you're setting yourself up for a smoother and more organized writing experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy tips on maximizing your office productivity tools.